7 COCs from the various provinces. And I made some rough computations, and I know that very conservatively we can finish one COC in 15 minutes, maybe maximum already, including the manifestations. And if we work on that basis with 140 COCs to go, that's maybe a little bit more, that will take about 35 hours. And 35 hours, if we work on the basis of 6 hours per day, which this committee will do, we can finish all the COCs in a little over 6 days. And therefore, Mr. Speaker, Mr. President, I think we can rightfully and very optimistically amend our target of June 15 to maybe June 10 to 11, so that by Independence Day, we can already have a proclamation. And therefore, I submit this proposal that we amend our original target of June 15 to not later than June 12. I so submit, Mr. President. June 11.
Mr. President, that is assuming that, for example, we already have different 3 out of 7, and the resolution of the issues raised in the department could take a little more time, and we do not even know yet how many more COCs will be moved to defer. So may I vote that we stay on with the initial targeting.
Just a moment. The chair will need to share the eagerness of the gentleman from Paranaque. Why don't we have to best efforts?
Yes.
And without amending our target.
No, Mr. Speaker, Mr. President. 35 hours translates to 6 days. We still have 3 days. We don't work on June 4 because we have a session here. 3 days, and we have 5 days next week. That's 8 days. That's a very conservative. Extra 2 days that will take care of the other concerns, like, for example, permanent. I think we should be more optimistic.
Yes.
And have a very target, because we have seen that we can work faster now.
Our understanding is very clear. It is all what we know. So we exert efforts, do it their best efforts principle, then try as much as possible, terminate our job before the timeline. Okay?
Well, anyway, I have made my presentation, and I submit that it should be June 12. I respect your own computation, Mr. Speaker.